Here's Wolfie. He's got the little collar on. And here's their sister. She's also a Lykoi. She's just got the tuxedo coat. Wanna play with it? And here's Fenris. Fenris! Hi, Fenris! And then over here, underneath the camera, is one of the siblings that has just a normal coat. He's just, she's just solid black. Hi, honey. Aren't you cute? And you can see the difference. These were all born black. You can see the difference between, keep getting in my shadow, we're playing outside. We have a fenced in yard, so no worries about anybody getting hurt. But you can see the difference between the roan coat of the Lykoi and the black of the normal coated kitten. You can also see, come back here, Wolfie.